Every day is a new opportunity to learn and act. Welcome to the Good Start. Welcome to the Good Start. I'm Lucas. Here's a shocking fact. 92% of people give up on their goals. And honestly, I used to be one of them. For years, my New Year's resolution was, I'm going to get in shape. But by March, I had already slipped back into my old habits. The truth is, the problem wasn't willpower, it was the plan itself.
And that's exactly what we're fixing today. I'm Amelia. We're not just talking about self-improvement. We're combining the science of SMART goals with your English learning, so you can finally join the successful 8%. And the best part, you'll walk away with a clear, actionable plan and the confidence to make it real.
So what are SMART goals? SMART is a powerful framework. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break this down together step by step.
Imagine your goal is, I want to improve my English. That's too vague. It's just a wish. But if you say, I want to learn 10 new English words every day for the next 30 days, now it's a SMART goal. Let's check it. Specific, vocabulary, measurable, 10 words per day, achievable, totally manageable if you stay consistent. Relevant, it directly boosts your English skills. Time-bound, you've got a clear 30-day deadline.
The real magic happens when your goals are this clear, but there's a secret ingredient most people forget. Your why. Your why is the reason behind every effort, the fuel that keeps you moving forward when motivation fades.
Yes, your why is your reason, the heartbeat behind your goal. Why do you want to improve your English? Is it to unlock better career opportunities? To travel the world with confidence? To connect with people across cultures and build real friendships? When your why is crystal clear, it becomes stronger than willpower. It's the force that keeps you going, even on the days when you feel tired or discouraged.
So let's build your goal together. Grab a notebook and a pen. Now write down one SMART goal for your English learning. Make it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Done? Perfect. You've just taken the first real step toward your success.
Here are some useful phrases you can use to say your goals in English. Repeat them after me. My goal is to. I aim to. I plan to. By next month, I will. Now choose one of these phrases and say your own SMART goal out loud. Speaking it makes it feel real.
Try saying your goal out loud right now. Great job. You're one step closer already. Remember, every small action builds momentum. Keep going. Your future self will thank you.
All right, it's time to wrap up. Today, you learned how to set SMART goals and connect them to your why. You even built your own English learning goal with us.
Your challenge, share your SMART English goal in the comments. We'll cheer you on and help you stay accountable. Thanks for listening to The Good Start. I'm Lucas.
Remember, only 8% of people achieve their goals, but you can be part of that 8%. Starting today. We'll see you in the next episode for a new habit that will change your life.
Like and subscribe.